So good. Hi guys, what's up? It's me. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Melanie. In today's video, I have another vinyl unboxing. Hold on. This crab salad is so freaking good. As I was saying, I have an unboxing for you guys. This is Melanie Martinez Crybaby. This will finish my collection. I want her whole discography, but it's just too expensive. But it's okay. I have the ones that I want most. I have K through 12 and I have Portals. So this is Melanie Martinez Crybaby, the Walmart exclusive. I wanted the web store exclusive, but when I went to go buy it, it was sold out, which I figured because, you know, she's not making her like Crybaby things anymore. This is the deluxe edition. I don't know if I said that, but it's the Crybaby Deluxe Edition, and it's the Walmart exclusive. It was $50. I got it off Walmart. The $30 one wasn't available, which sucks. So I had to pay $50, and it came from India. But surprisingly, it only took like 3 days to ship. It was supposed to come May 1st, but it didn't. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is the back. Hold on, let me get my things. Oh. You dropped my squishmallow. Not wrapped very good, is it? I love the cover. It's so pretty. This is so nostalgic. I'm so happy I have this. I hope it's not warped or anything. But yeah. So let's go ahead and open it up. Start from the side. Sorry if you guys can hear my TV in the back. I'm clearly watching TV. But yeah. I don't want to rip the hype sticker. I'm freaking so happy I have this. So here's what the back looks like. Here is the front. It's low-key kind of heavy. It's really big. I feel like it's bigger than my other vinyl. But here is the gatefold. I'm sure everybody knows what this looks like already. Sorry, the glare. But there's the gatefold. Get the booklet out first. Here is the booklet. It says Crybaby on it. And it has all the pictures from the songs. So Crybaby, Carousel, right? Yeah, this is Carousel. And then Alphabet Boy, Pity Party. Tag You're It, Mr. Potato Head. I'll do a better look through at the end, like I'll get a better viewing. Mad Hatter, I believe. I'm not sure what this one is, honestly. I think it might be. That's Mad Hatter. Oh, it's Cake. Duh. And then this one might be Playdate? Maybe? I don't know. Is it in order? I'm not sure if it's in order or not, but that's Teddy Bear. I'm not sure what this one is. Maybe. Oh, this one might be Playdate. I'm not sure. I'm a little confused. This is Pacifier, Milk and Cookies. Oh, you can't even see it. I'm sorry. Training Wheels, Soap, Yeah, I don't think it's an order. Sippy cup, and then dollhouse. That's a booklet. I will give a better showing at the end because I know that was not very good. But that's not the reason we're all here. Let me get one of these presents out. Comes in this cute little pink slip. I can see it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like a Jolly Rancher. Like a blue Jolly Rancher. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's beautiful. Worth the money for sure. Oh, I love that so much. Just try not to move those. And I just bought a new vinyl like an hour ago, so stay tuned for an unboxing on that. It's supposed to be here on Wednesday, so I'm very excited to show that. Spent $40 on it, but that's just how much it was, so I got it for retail price. Then here's the second pressing. It's the same color, but this is side D and this is side A, or side C. So we are gonna play this after I eat my sushi because I'm hungry. So I'm gonna eat my food and I'm gonna come back and play it for you guys. I'm so excited to have this in my possession now. So nostalgic. Out of all of the Crybaby album, I mean not the Crybaby album, the Melanie Martinez albums, honestly, I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but K through 12 is probably my favorite, and then Crybaby, which is really shocking because I literally grew up on Crybaby, but I don't know, K through 12 just has a soft spot in my heart. I'm not gonna put it in the sleeve just yet because I still need to play it. But yeah, I'm gonna eat and I'll be back.
You seem to replace your brain with your heart. You take things so far apart.
Okay, clearly my light is off right now, but that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to see more unboxings and vinyl videos and stuff like that, and just videos, stuff like that, please make sure you guys subscribe down below and like this video and comment things you want to see next. Yeah, bye.